Hello, Assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to explain about the tiptoe. So let's start. So we'll start with the definition first. So this tiptoe is actually tiptoe walking describe the human body posture and locomotion, which is using the balls of the feet and removing the heels of one or both feet from the ground during walking. So normal for most kids between 10 and 18 months, but if it persists longer than that, it will be a problem. It will be a symptom for the children. So the causes, if there is no known causes, it will call idiopathic. So there will be no known cause for this toe walking. So it is called idiopathic. So idiopathic toe walking is a term used to define a gait in which a person walks with a toe-toe gait pattern. Like I said, they're removing the heels just before this. So gate pattern without any known correlated etiology. So idiopathic toe walking is when your child continues to walk their tiptoe is beyond 3 years of age. So it depends. 10 to 18 months is a normal age, but beyond that, it will be a problem. So this idiopathic toe walking, when it continues up and beyond 3 years of age, it will be a problem to the children. So what are the causes of this idiopathic? It could be it will be no known causes, so it is called idiopathic. But if this tiptoe walking, there will be various factor. So it could be a tactile processing factor, which the children have an increased response to touch sensations. Number two is altered proprioceptive processing, which means sensing the body's position in space. So it actually means body awareness. And then number three is vestibular processing, maintaining balance. That's why they're tiptoe walking. And then the next one is visual processing and flexibility of leg and foot muscle, overall body strength, and also family history, which could be have a history of genetic of tiptoe walking. This is one of what are the factors that makes the children tiptoe walking.